Welcome to Math with Teacher MJ. In this lesson, we are going to continue graphing inequalities on a number line. So let's start with example. The first one, it says x is greater than 0 and x is less than 4. To graph this inequality on a number line, the first step, we need a number line. So we graph a number line and show numbers on this number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. Next step. Look here. It says x is greater than 0. I find 0. There are a circle above the 0. This circle must be open or closed. Right. It must be open circle because it says x is greater than 0, not equal 0. Next one, x is less than 4. There are a circle above the 4. This one also must be open circle because it says x is less than 4, not equal 4. Okay, our solution must be somewhere between 0 and 4. That is why I shade this region. And this is our solution between 0 and 4. X is greater than 0 and x is less than 4. Next example, it says x is greater than or equal to -2 and x is less than 2. Step 1, graph a number line, show the numbers on this number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Let's start with x is greater than or equal -2. I find -2. There are circles above the -2. This circle must be a solid circle or open circle. Right. It must be closed circle because of this equal. It says x is greater than or equal -2. That is why we need to shade this circle. Next one, it says x is less than 2. 2, the circle above the 2, this one must be open circle because it is less than 2, not equal to. And the solution must be somewhere between -2 and 2. Also, -2 is a solution. Equal or greater than -2, a number like -1, a number like 0. Okay, next example. It says x is greater than -4 and x is less than or equal to 1. First step, a number line, show the numbers on this number line, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4. Let's start with this part. It says x is greater than -4. I find -4 on this number line and graph a circle above the 4. This circle must be solid circle or open circle. Absolutely open circle because it is greater than -4, not equal to -4, open circle. Next one, x is less than or equal to 1. I graph a circle above the 1, but it says or equal. That is why we need to shade this circle. And our solution is somewhere between -4 and 1. And I shade. This is our solution. A number like -2. Let's check it. -2 is greater than -2, -4. Also, -2 is less than 1. Okay, next one. It says x is greater than or equal -3. X is less than or equal 0. Number line. Show the numbers. First one, It says x is greater than or equal -3. Find -3. You have a circle above -3. This circle must be a filled circle or open circle. It says x is greater than or equal. That is why we need to shade this circle. And next one, x is less than or equal 0. This is 0, a circle above the 0. And again, this circle also must be a solid circle. And our solution is somewhere between -3 and 0. Let's check it. A number like 0, okay? Yes, 0 can be the solution of this inequality because it says x is less than or equal 0. Therefore, 0 is the solution, -3 is the solution, -1 is the solution, -2 is the solution. Have fun.